What's up, lovely people? Welcome to Naomi's Kitchen Cuisine, where we bring you flavorsome recipes with love from our kitchen to yours. In today's video, we are showing you how we cook a delicious mouth-watering pot of curry goat. Here we have 4.5 pounds of goat meat. I've washed my meat with lemon, salt, and vinegar and removed all the excess fat and left to soak for 15 minutes to take off the rawness. So to season our meat to marinate, you will need curry powder, turmeric, ground black pepper, garlic powder, aromat seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, Maggi all-purpose seasoning, ground ginger, and pimento seed. I've also added my blended seasoning. Quantities for the powdered seasoning will be listed in the description box along with the recipe for the blended seasoning. And now I'm massaging the seasoning into my meat until it's evenly coated. The meat is now ready to be covered and left to marinate. I did leave my meat to marinate overnight in the fridge, but if you do not have that time, 3 hours should do the job. For our natural seasonings, we have carrot, potatoes, onion, ginger, garlic, rosemary, red and green bell peppers, spring onion, half a block of cream of coconut, or a can of coconut milk, thyme, and a bullet pepper. Again, these ingredients will be listed in the description box below. So guys, I'm just chopping my vegetable seasoning and then I'll be back. Cooking curry goat is a 2 to 3 hour process, so to get the best results, you want to add your seasonings gradually. I am adding about 2 tablespoons of oil to my pot. Once oil is heated, to begin cooking, add sugar. I've used brown, you can use white also, chopped ginger, garlic, and curry powder, and leave to burn for around 5 minutes. And it should look something like this. Now those ingredients have burned, you can add your meat to the pot and cover. After 15 minutes, I'll give my meat a stir and replace the lid. So guys, I'm coming back to my pot after half an hour. As you can see, the water is reduced. We don't want to waste any of our seasonings, so we add about a cup of boiled water to our bowl, give it a swirl and add it to our pot. It is important that you use the boiled water to continue the cooking process. So another 40 minutes has passed. It's now time to add our rosemary, our coconut milk, and our bullet pepper. I don't like my curry spicy, so I use a bullet pepper. But if you like the heat, you can turn it up with some Scotch bonnet. So after half an hour, it's now time to add half a liter of water along with all my vegetable seasonings and my vegetable stock. And 20 minutes later, your curry goat will be cooked and ready to eat. You can pair your curry goat with white rice, rice and peas, hard-boiled food, or any side of your choice. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe. And hit the notification bell for more videos from Naomi's Kitchen Cuisine. Thanks for watching and bye for now.